What's going on YouTube family? It's your boy Bob, aka Bob Can Cut, and I'm back with another tutorial for y'all today. Just wanted to give y'all a brief introductory video to the YouTube tutorial. I'll be doing a high fade, a mid to high fade on one of my clients. I think I came out real smooth, so let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, right here we're gonna start off by removing all the hair that we don't need. We're gonna take out 1.5 closed, just get rid of all this hair that we don't need. Just going all the way up to where his dreads start at. Just getting rid of, removing all the bulk. After we get finished removing all the bulk, we're gonna set our first guideline in with our clipper all the way closed. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a mid to high fade, so we're gonna start that line right at the C cup area. And I will be showing this one side and just a little bit of the other side, maybe the back or something like that. But right here we're setting in our first guideline with our clipper closed. This helps getting the first guideline out versus setting it in with your trimmer and making it hard. Okay, right here I got my clipper open, going up about 1 inch, setting in my next guideline. And to remove this area, this first guideline with the clipper open, what you'll do is take your clipper, put it halfway, quarter, then close, and just fade this line out. Y'all can watch how it just fade out. Here it go, 1/4 of the way. And these clippers I'm using are the JRL 2020. Some pretty good clippers, I like them. Then we'll, after we get finished with this area, we'll put on our one guard open and we'll go up about another inch. Cleaning up some dark spots. Okay, right here I got my one guard open, going up another inch. Really not trying to sit in a harsh guideline, but just setting in a one that I can take out real easy. Instead of closing that one guard up, we're gonna come back with a half guard all the way open. And I found out that instead of going with your one guard closed, if you come back with your half guard open, it's a lot easier to remove that bottom line. So right here I got my half guard all the way open. Just going right up where I left off with that one guard open. And I believe it was my shirt, while my camera kept going in and out, the lighting kept changing. I believe it was my white shirt, it was picking up on it a lot. Right here I'm just working that half guard though. Open halfway, quarter closed. And you can just watch this line fade away. Right here I had it all the way closed, just tapping right there at the line. Open it back up, I seen a little dark area. Open it back up, use my corners and remove it. See how I remove that little area. And then come back with your clipper open. If that half guard don't remove that bottom line fully, just come back with your clipper open using your corners and just finish taking it out. It's a real easy fading system. I just throw my half guard back, my 1.5 back on closed, and just finish removing that bulk at the top. Come back with my one guard and do some detail work. Turn my half guard, doing a little bit of detail work with my half guard. It's a real easy fading system. Okay, right here, just doing the same thing, removing all that bulk with my half guard, with my 1.5 guard. Real easy fading into that 1.5 or that one open. Setting in my guideline. Like I said, I won't be showing too much of this side. I think maybe just a little bit of the back. Then we're gonna get into the lineup. What you do to one side, you will do to the other side. Setting in my first guideline with my clipper open. Like I said, to remove that line, you're gonna go halfway, quarter, then closed. This was a real quick tutorial. Fade didn't take that long to do. Right here, I got my one guard open going up. Like I said, it might cut off right here. Then we're gonna get into the lineup. Okay, yeah, you see the fade in there. Now right here, I'm just balding them out. Once again, I apologize for the lighting. I think it was just my white t-shirt it was kept picking up on. As y'all can see the fade in there. Okay, I'm gonna start off by knocking this hairline down with the 1.5 closed, then come behind that with the one guard open. That 1.5 just didn't take it down where I wanted it to. So I come back with the one guard. Still wanted to curl up a little bit. Right here I got my one guard. Just going back over the hairline, prepping it for the lineup. Okay, I like to start on my vertical bars first. Take it up to where you see the hair start at, and just bring the line over to it. I think it helps to get it straight. And y'all gonna see the before the enhancements and after I add the enhancements. I'll let y'all watch this lineup come together. Couldn't really see it too good at the end because he had his forehead wrinkled up, but think it looked pretty good. Just get this right side lined up. And I like to go right off the corner of the eye for my guideline for my vertical bars, right off the corner of the eyeball. I had to bring out my FXs, them detailers, they hit. It was just missing a little spot right there in the corner, so I had to bring out them black FX, get that little spot in the corner. Remember, we started off with our 1.5 closed, then went with our 1 open, then went from our 1 open to our half guard open, halfway quarter closed, and followed it up by the 1.5 closed again at the top to remove the bolt, and then did a little bit of detail work right here. Here I go adding the enhancements. Y'all seen what it looked like before the enhancements, seen a bunch of light spots. Watch how the enhancements bring out the cut. Right here I am using, I made a mixture of my own, the Kiss Express with 1 ounce Kiss Express with a 1/2 ounce of the Kiss Express Brown and the 2 ounces of alcohol. If y'all wanna make a mixture yourself. I was using a Tune 45, but I just run through it too fast and just wanted to make something that was gonna last, so I made a big bottle of that and it turned out pretty good. I like the way it looked. And we're getting to the end of the video. So I want y'all to please like, share, subscribe. Like I said, I got more videos coming soon. Right here goes the before. And here comes the after. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I appreciate y'all for sticking through this video, watching it with me. And I'm out.